Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to NinjaTrader Live. I'm Tracy Shuchart, senior economist, and a lot has happened, sort of, since we were away. First, we had President Trump was on a call to CNBC. He shrugged off the possible collapse of peace negotiations with Iran, telling CNBC, "I don't care if they're over, honestly. I couldn't care less." He thought that protracted talks, quote unquote, started to get very boring. He said he was going to ask Israeli Prime Minister what was going on with Lebanon, and he said he wasn't worried about oil prices. He said, "I think oil will be dropping like a rock in the very near future, the very near distance." Then apparently, since then, he did have a talk with Netanyahu. He posted on to Truth Social that he said Hezbollah and Israel agree not to attack each other, and saying talks are continuing with Iran. So a lot of news swirling, push-pull in the market. So just keep in mind, headline risk is still on. In markets, Wall Street main indexes stayed near record levels, obviously, today after oil prices spiked on mounting skepticism that a deal to end 3-month U.S.-Iran war could not be reached soon. Heavyweight NVIDIA's keeping the market up. They rose 3.9% after unveiling a new chip that puts AI capabilities directly into laptops and desktop computers, following a 3-year partnership with Microsoft. Microsoft shares added 2.5%, and PC maker Dell and HP both jumped 9 and 7.3% respectively on that news from NVIDIA partnership. Semiconductor stocks were mixed, with Qualcomm tumbling 6.7%, and PC chip makers AMD and Intel fell 2.6% and 0.1% respectively. Micron gained 5.7%. There was an interview with Ryan Lee. He's from Direxion. They're the leveraged inverse ETF institution. He said there's real money coming into these companies, so it's an interesting place to be. But that said, all it takes is one negative headline to kind of push us back in the wrong direction. He also added the reality of this conflict is the longer it goes on, the higher oil prices will likely get driven up, and you're going to feel that ripple across every corner of the market. And then just a note on the AI mania. So there's a post circulating on Twitter, a 6-month-old video of Donald Trump praising IBM's CEO. That sent shares soaring as much as 10% today to a record high, adding $28 billion to the company's stock value. Again, that was a 6-month-old clip, and somehow it's making the rounds again and pushed Microsoft up. Big news in AI. Anthropic has filed for the IPO in a race with OpenAI. They confidentially submitted draft paperwork for a public listing, potentially leapfrogging longtime rival OpenAI in the race towards a Wall Street debut. Now, the number of shares offered and the price have not been set yet, but with the filing today, Anthropic is poised to potentially beat OpenAI to the public market. That sets itself up to attract more attention and more capital from a greater pool of investors. On to data centers. Got energy, got metals. U.S. spending on U.S. data construction in the U.S. has eclipsed $50 billion with a B in April for the very first time. Data centers now account for 2.3% of all U.S. construction spending, and has now surpassed private sector outlays, which is incredible because public sector outlays is transportation, airports, marine terminals, mass transit. So AI data center construction spending has now outclipped the public sector. It's amazing. Can't even believe it. Jet fuel flags higher fuel costs as the Iran conflict drags on. They raised their second quarter fuel costs today as shipping disruptions in the strait entered the fourth month. Shares of the airline fell 9% on that news this morning. And that is your afternoon update from me. So I will pass it to Jim for an Edge report.
Thank you, Tracy. All right, let's talk about the Bitcoin. You know, everything is, well, let's just talk about the Bitcoin. Here's a daily candle chart up here right now. And, well, we have an acute sell-off, I'm going to call it. And this kind of started, just kind of looking at my chart here. Yeah, this kind of really started at this swing high up here. And that was on May 6th, so not that long ago. And, we went sideways a little bit. We fought a little bit, but then we had this break right here. That happened on the 18th, and then another pause with a really nice area of support. It's that little rectangle right there where my crosshairs is, at 76,000, give or take a couple of ticks. That didn't last more than a week. Then, boom, we broke through again, and we sold off as well. Now, a couple interesting things. One, look at this kind of this bowl of spaghetti of moving averages right here. We got the ADMA crossing under the 21, crossing under the 50. The ADMA just is racing to the bottom of the chart, and we're about to have the 21 cross under the 50 to make matters worse. From a retracement point of view, I started this retracement measurement back here on the 30th of March, and I went to the highs, and we are south of 50%. We are south of 61.8%, a close below here with the confirmation candle, and I'm saying, all right, we're in a bearish market here on the Bitcoin. Now, we'll see what happens. You have a little bit of a wick today, so buyers did kind of pick us back up a little bit, but we're still under that 72,000 level. Next target, big major target down right here is this area support where we had about 5 days worth of swing lows happen around 66,245. And below that, if we go all the way back here to February 6, 2026, we also have, it's not a tweezer bottom, but it's definitely a bottom here at 63,695 with the swing low target, that little wick, not a little wick, it's a big wick, 60,205 again. So there are three targets on the downside. Look at RSI. RSI is just, this is probably like a blue run if you're in Colorado skiing. It's not necessarily a black double diamond, but it's definitely a blue. It's not green. Really sloping nicely down to that 30 level. Let's shoot over to the 30-minute intraday chart. We've been pretty much underneath that session volume weighted average price. That's VWAP or VWAP, depending on your ethnicity. And it's kind of, we lost it in the rearview mirror all the way back here at midnight, and we've never been back. London IB, nice steady sell-off. A little bit of a pause around S1. This is 72,745. S1 is part of the daily pivot study. It's one of my favorite levels to keep in mind. I'm not the only guy in the world that looks at the daily pivot studies, by the way. And then below that, we had previous sessions lowest in S2 sell-off here. That blue line, if you remember, from Christian Trading Boxes, Develop Your Edge, that is one of his, he has a 20 EMA cloud. I have a 20 EMA line. I should convert that into a cloud somehow, some way. But I'm keeping track of that along with the 9 simple moving average, and we're trading right below those two, right in between of those two. Point of control is pretty decent here, I guess. It's 71,835. And then targets on the downside, again, I just really session lows. Right here, I'm not so sure we're not going to see that 7740, and then 70,000 is put support. That could be a big deal if we breach that within the next couple of days. Below that, well, there's not a lot of stuff there below that. Above, really, I mean, we really would have to crush that VWAP, have a confirmation candle, some news event, something that makes sense for this thing to move. Let's shoot over to Treasury bonds really quickly here and talk about those guys. I know we talked about this morning, but let's talk about it again. Daily candle here. Interesting. It doesn't, the 8 EMA is kind of like flexing its muscles right now. I mean, we're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. We've maintained price above that 8 EMA. Now we wick through it. This was an ugly wick, by the way, all the way down to that 38.1% retracement below the 8 EMA. Now the 8 EMA, the 21 EMA are almost going sideways here. So is the 50, right? So it looks like maybe some consolidation. We'll see what happens here. But there are targets to the downside, folks. We got that June 25th swing low at 111, 11 30 seconds, which Pax likes to talk about. And then then we have that May 22nd low of 110.01, which Pax and Deli both like to talk about, and a little bit of an area of support down here. Last time we were down here, buyers turned it around right away. We'll see what happens here as the inflation story is not over yet. RSI is kind of sideways here at this point as well. Intraday, we have a double distribution here. Something spooked this market all the way back up to create the official point of control up at 112.05 and 30 seconds. Never really got past the pivot. Again, daily pivot studies, these are pretty important. Never really got past that. Yeah, we wicked through it a couple times, but we never had a candle close beyond that point. 0 DTE call resistance is also right there as well. So we have that high vol level, though, which is super, super important right here. That's at 112 even. We'll see if we close above it or below it today. Anything goes as far as I can tell. Right now we're above it, which is probably a little bit more bullish than I'd ordinarily be. But we'll see what happens with the 30-year Treasury bonds. All right, well, that is this afternoon's Edge Report. Let's get ready to trade the close. And joining us here on NinjaTrader Live are Leo the Big Cat, we have XYZ, and we have the Stowe 42. Hey, good afternoon, gentlemen.
What's up, Jim?
What's up, Jim?
Nothing much, man. It's just a Monday as usual. I feel pretty good this Monday, actually, even though my score was kind of low.
Score.
My vibe score.
I got Jim scoring the vibes.
Yeah.
Well, this is, I don't know. What's the experimental problem where the patient gets the score and the score influences the score? That's a psychological term, I'm sure.
I was just going to say that.
Like the placebo effect?
There is no question. I did not place one trade today because I only scored a 72. Now, would I have done that if I wouldn't have done this vibe score?
Well, when you go in and do your post-market thing, check the box that said I didn't trade today, you might find yourself a little treat, a little reward for yourself.
Wait a second.
Yeah.
There's treats on the vibe score?
There might be trophies for when you make smart decisions. Just throwing it out there.
All right. Anyway, well, I appreciate it. It's actually very, very handy, very awesome. And when you release it into the wilderness, people are going to love it.
Thanks, man.
Any event, what are you guys thinking? Leo, let's start with you. What are you thinking about this afternoon's price potential?
There's a little bit of weakness up here at this high. I'm short from 667. And I'm actually looking to take profit right here in this low volume node because we built a node and, just as a scalp, we're going to take something off here. If we start to slide lower, I think we could get a nice little push at least to the overnight low. But this would be kind of this area right here is definitely an important area for short term for buyers to hold. Because if we lose this volume node, then it's not a dead body setup necessarily, but it's like a micro dead body.
So this would be a natural place for you to take profit.
Right here, yeah.
Yeah.
Which I'm about to do.
Okay. I like it. All right. Keep my fingers crossed.
Although,
what?
You know what? I see XY wearing the Spurs jersey.
I know.
I mean, that's a direct shot at me.
I don't know. Last time I talked to Leo,
fired.
he asked me how I'd feel when they get closed out game 6. I think it's Monday now. They're still playing.
Monday.
They're still playing.
All right.
Yeah.
So in perspective, just so the chat could follow along, the Spurs just took out in the semifinals Leo's home team of Oklahoma City. Is that correct?
That's right.
So there's
Now I'm seeing Salma.
so XYZ's dunking on Leo right now, and he's ready. He's prepared to dunk on Selma also.
The Knicks are pretty good. It's going to be
We're
hard.
Knicks fans now, Jim.
It's like how all the Laker fans became Spurs fans for the last 2 weeks.
Yeah.
All DC fans became Knicks fans.
Oh my goodness. Oh,
Hey, I can't help it. When some of our lead scorers score 4 points in a game, I mean, what are you going to do?
Dude, that's rough, man.
I
He's in his
don't-
own head
yeah.
for sure.
I
You got the low
college
vibe score.
Charleston. That's all I got.
Definitely his vibe score was on 2 or 1
Yep.
or 2.
He shouldn't have traded that day.
He got the low. Well, that's the problem is he didn't trade that day. They needed him to trade that
They
day.
did
Yeah.
the trade, yeah.
All righty then. Now that the basketball talk's over, XYZ, what are you thinking, man?
I had runners from 570s up to the highs. They got trailed out 665, I believe. I'm trying to see if there's a spot I can buy them back at. I mean, earlier I was like, I hate that they got trailed out. But now I'm glad. But like Leo says, if they can't really trade back into the 650s, we might have seen high of day because of that node. It's pretty big.
Yeah.
It's not like, yeah, like dead body setup or anything like that, but it's still considerable. So if they do find that they're just building interest below it, I'll probably see if I want to get short.
Got it. Sounds good. Stowe, what are you thinking, man?
I'm done. My plan is done. My idea is done.
Well, kick him off the show. What the hell?
Yeah, that's it. I'm for the first time ever. I'm gonna sit here and not do anything. So,
Now we'll see about that.
we'll see.
Just pull up a Bitcoin chart and just sell one micro. That's all.
All right. I mean, it seems like easy money, but that's what they say.
Oh, that's when you know. That's when you know it's not going to work.
First micro Bitcoin trade is free.
Oh, man. All right. So we do have a couple of what do we got here? We have an update, not an update, but just a reminder. Tomorrow is officially qualifier 3 for the Arena Cup. Are either you guys already went, right?
Yeah, we went. I was number one.
I was banned.
Now,
Leo
if
was
you notice, you if you notice, you were supposed to do number 1 and you decided.
No, I was supposed to do number 2. I went to register for number 2 and it was full. And they're like, you know what, Leo, since you can't just follow basic instructions, you're out.
All right, Leo's out. So in any event, good thing. Look at these people competing here, man. We've got Farm actually trading live. This is going to be awesome. I haven't seen that before. So
yeah, I'm stoked for that. That's gonna be cool.
Yeah, for sure. All right, that's kind of announcement number 1. Announcement number 2, Wednesday, after hours, not after hours, but after the bell rings, 4 to 5 o'clock. Jared Tendler is going to be with us for another a retail therapy session. It's a coaching session. He'll be coaching somebody live in front of everybody. So it's pretty awesome. He's done a few of these before, and Jared is the man, especially when it comes to what's going on in your head, which some would argue is most of the problem. So that's Wednesday at 4 to 5. Looking forward to that.
That's cool. Is he doing like a contestant or like who? How do we pick the person? Is it somebody from the show again?
I don't know. He actually did Selma once, by the way. That was pretty good.
That was a good one.
Yeah, but no, it's just a customer that I'm not sure how they came to be, but
all right,
it's happening. It's happening, guys. Anyway, having said all that, you've put up with me long enough. I am going to dip into the chat. Wish you guys the best of luck on any trades you may or may not take, and I'm still trying to figure out why XYZ is flaunting it right now, but we'll talk about that later.
Yeah, no, I just saw this. I wanted to put it on. I didn't bring anything up.
All right.
I just really like the way it looks.
All right. Well, good luck to you guys.
See you, Jim.
Thanks, man.
There's not a soul in the chat that believes that.
I just thought the colors are nice.
Mm-hmm.
Nice little Fiesta 80s colors,
Is that what? So I was like, you got to be a Lakers. How the hell are you a Spurs fan? But so this is what happened.
It's funny. I became a Spurs fan because of my disdain for the Lakers during the three-peat era, and the Spurs were the only ones giving them the work.
Okay.
Yeah,
cool.
I am sports fan first. I don't pick the teams based on my city. I pick it based on the organization, the culture. I'm a Eagles fan living in LA. I'm an Eagles fan living in LA. I'm a Spurs fan living in LA.
That's what they say about Philly. It's got culture. That's what they have said.
Well, Philly's different. I really like the jersey colors back in NFL Blitz.
All right, there we go.
But you can't say they are not a top NFL organization. Nobody in the chat can say that. That's for sure.
I don't fight with Philly about football. That's the rule.
They are literally insane.
Yes.
But yeah, LA is full of Eagles fans now. Like in my entire lifetime, I've never seen one. I have a buddy who I know has been one, but nobody else. And then the Eagles beat the Patriots that one year. Oh my goodness! Now it's fly Eagles, fly all over LA. The Rams came. They won the bowl one year. I think it's like during the COVID time, and then everyone was like a Rams fan. All of a sudden, they traded all their good players away, and then everyone's an Eagles fan again. It's full of bandwagoners out here.
That tracks.
I
That
had
tracks.
There was a time in my life for a long time I was like, I might not live to see an Eagles championship. I gave up on it. I was like, it might just never happen. And then
Speaking
it
of
finally-
speaking of Eagles, champions and championship and rooting, I remember specifically rooting for your Eagles.
yes.
And you show up today with a Spurs jersey on.
There was this one game where they dropped it. I remember it was to the Commanders. Oh, that was so dumb. And then Leo's messaging me like, what happened to your team? Football season's coming back soon enough.
Logan, the Vibe Score is this journal tool that I'm working on. And, well, it's actually up to Big Cat when he wants to send me the colors that are not disgusting to change. Once he does that, then I can release it to everybody, which will probably be on Sunday. But Leo has to use his colorism first, and he's a busy guy. So we shall wait for that.
I'm just not a fan of the orange. Like if you're diehard, or like the yellow orange, like if you're diehard about it, I'm not gonna.
No, you don't. I'm not diehard about anything. I put placeholder colors in there because I know I don't know what looks good. I'm self-aware of that part.
You just put the orange, like, you know what? They'll tell me.
No,
Auction
I was just like,
market theory. The users will tell me if it sucks.
Claude, pick that. Well, let the market decide. And by the market, I mean Leo, because he knows what colors suck and which ones don't. This is I don't.
Leo's like the color market maker.
Yeah, I don't want to have a entire journal app version of Ugly Chart. Basically, is what I'm trying to say. So we know how gross Ugly Chart was, and you guys only had to see that for like 30 minutes a day for a couple months. I want this thing to exist for a long time, so it can't be Ugly Chart. Is what I'm saying.
So I know you said you're done trading, but do me
Yes.
a favor.
Sure.
Lift some offer for me.
I'd love to. I mean, it looks fine. But I was definitely
Does it look
done at
obvious?
603. No. It just looks like
No.
it
I'm
looks
trying to,
mean
like,
enough that it
scale
can go
into this.
higher.
I'm afraid they're gonna puke this still. So I'm just scaling in.
It all looks good. ES looks good.
Yes, they already got back up to the node.
Yeah.
I know. I was thinking NQ would still go lower. Then I saw ES and I was like, maybe this is where they hold.
Well, there's a little spot on the ES DOM where they gave up. Trying to push lower. This buyer came in and just said, okay, I'm done. I'm tired of you pretending this is going lower. From like 450 to 25, 24, this little hole.
They are building here on NQ. Just not what I want to see.
But I had to buy 85 in 82 to 85. I had to spend all day in my feelings about that. So, and I was right. So for those reasons, I'm done.
I'm afraid I'm still way too long, but I've just been buying the hell out of this thing the whole way up. Could it be that the high is already put in? We're in like super price discovery mode too, so I was just like, I'm not even gonna put a TP. I'm just gonna trail all this stuff, forerunners. But I've just been slamming longs, trying to push P&L today since we got really good cushion. I will consider that a downside pullback attempt. So if we can start trading up above again, I'll put some more onto this. Trying to be extra careful.
This one dude wants me to read the ES DOM every day. It's pretty cool. I appreciate that.
What does he want? Like story time?
Yeah. A
Does he
long,
have the
long time
freedom?
ago, there
Did
were
he
some
pay?
buyers all the
Man.
way down here.
Far, far away.
Back in 1929.
Once was the RTH Open. Yeah,
Pull up that 1920s historical data. Get the
They
replay
also
mode
said
going.
go Spurs, so that completely invalidates
Oh,
their request.
I'm sorry, I can't talk to you because I'm trying to have Leo be in my
Like,
good
sorry,
graces.
my
'Cause
boss, my boss told me I can't talk to you.
I need that color alpha, and so for those reasons, I'm sorry.
I don't know what to tell you.
Leo,
Story
you still
time
short?
at Porch Time live on YouTube tonight. I'm live on YouTube tonight. Nick, are you gonna tell Porch Time stories on YouTube?
Ugh, I mean, I'm old enough to remember a couple of those stories. I don't think they need repeated.
He's back though, right? You said Leo?
He is back. He's back on Twitter.
Some
The
say he's
goat.
never left.
The goat of Porch Time.
I don't know about these guys still. They don't seem too serious anymore.
They're perfectly serious.
Serious enough?
Yeah,
Just enough?
hell yeah. Look at all this 640 bid. It's just partying, enjoying itself.
I'll buy another one here.
Yeah, they're crossing,
They
baby.
fail this. I'm definitely flipping short. There's so much buying right here. But they better not.
Jason says, XY, you don't have IBR2 on your chart. I assume that would be,
I only
what's
have
that,
50%.
200% extension?
I only use a 50% extension, and we are way above that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I only do 50%.
Price is pinned to it now, apparently.
Is
The
this
thing
the
about
100%
that,
extension right here?
who knows? It's R2. What's R2 mean? Does
I don't
anybody know?
care. Trying to see what they do with this buying here.
Yeah, that I know. They just lifted that. Look at all those 39s. 56.
I mean, yeah, they're cool. It's lifting the 39s and the low 40s, but
Yeah,
we're looking for the 700 right now.
dude. You're gonna, it's gonna, in all good time here.
It's all Leo's fault because he's short.
True.
Yep. Blame me.
What the hell happened there? I mean, I don't see anything on the DOM, but like, what in the world printed at like 70?
70? Like
Yeah, I mean,
670?
yeah. Do you guys have all this madness? Because I got like a
No, I
ton
don't
of
really have
madness.
anything crazy.
Where?
I just have a bunch of Delta Mat like insanity, and I didn't have the DOM running.
670 NQ?
Yeah, at like 148 Eastern.
Oh, it's just like crazy absorption.
Yeah.
Really. That was like their third attempt up there, so yeah, they got absorbed really hard, and then they couldn't get back up, got absorbed lower, and puked it. ES looks good, but NQ's still struggling here.
Man, I can't win. Easy for So to say. He's sitting on the bench. You turkeys. It's tough to please the strangers on the internet sometimes, you know?
Increasingly difficult.
Increasingly difficult.
Look at this tier lineup today.
Is
It's
S
crazy
tier
that
good? It's a low letter, so I always wondered
It's
about
good.
that.
Yeah, S is like the best, but
Supreme? What's it stand for?
I don't even
Spurs.
know. It doesn't stand for
Spurs.
Spurs. That I do know. That this level of bait is actually crazy. Honestly. Super duper.
At
Super
least,
cute.
Crazy that Leo and I are in trades and not Stowe. Stowe is the only one not in a trade.
yeah, man.
It's like upside down day.
Well, I got to demonstrate this damn journal, and if I start breaking the rules with it right away, nobody's gonna sign up.
Oh, it's telling you you're done.
Well, I mean, I did my plan. I
Uh-huh.
don't have anything else to do. I made a ton of money today. My ratio, all of
That's
this
nice.
stuff was good. Um, I pretty much traded my perfect day. I don't have any reason to force it up here.
So do you get a trophy?
I don't know what happens. I know Jim will get one from if you have a bad, like if you have a mediocre score and it's like, hey man, you should be careful today, and you actually are careful, you do get a trophy for that.
But you don't know if you're gonna get a trophy for calling it after your plan.
I don't think so. No,
You made it. Is
I
Claude in
know.
control?
Well, I want to see. I didn't do too much with the trophy shit because I want to see like what people even want from this thing to begin with. So we'll see. When we open up the beta, I'm gonna make sure Drunk Radish had a 45. Nice. Is it working? By the way, I tried to ask you about it last night, but you already left the chat, dude.
I think buyers are dead. I gotta get short. Is 45? That's low, isn't it? I
Yeah,
mean,
it's
isn't it
not
at
great.
100? So you like, it's like you're not ready. Do not place any trades.
I don't. It doesn't tell you what to do, but it just says, "Hey, that score's pretty bad.
It doesn't tell you what to
Here's
do, but
why."
you're supposed to listen to what it's saying, right? Like,
No, not necessarily. But the point is that you can see. So you do the assessment in the morning, and then you do a post market assessment, and you import your actual trade data from NinjaTrader, or you can manually import it if you don't trade on NinjaTrader. You can just type it in as well. And over time, the goal of this thing is to quantify the emotional and physical trading factors like sleep, exercise, anxiety, all that shit, and it'll plot it against your actual trading so you can begin to collect your own data about what your own scores mean when you get it versus your actual trading performance. So, like
like
a
how you're like,
45 is
yeah, all
not,
that shit.
yeah. So 45 is not great for Drunk Radish, but the real benefit of these scores is you do a month of them, and then you can start to get like an average of, you can start to draw patterns between your performance and your emotional and physical readiness. That's the idea.
What the hell's wrong with my bracket?
And some of these turkeys in this chat have snuck their way in, and I don't know who's leaking like a sieve on the beta, but somebody is, and I'm gonna
Wait,
find
what?
out.
What? What do you mean?
There's leaks. I'm seeing
Drunk
some email
radish.
addresses of usernames that I recognize from the YouTube chat that I haven't sent this to.
You have a leaker?
They're talking to each other.
Somebody might be leaking.
They're leaking to each other.
It's cool. I saw their name and I was like, I like them. That's fine.
Can you revoke access? Can you
I
deny
could.
access?
I just delete. I'll just yeet you out of there.
Oh, so if you're mean, you get denied. Huh?
Yep. Yeet.
You keeping receipts?
It's too much work to keep receipts. I don't think this buyer's dead, bud.
Yeah, I think
Yeah,
I
he might not be.
scratch out of this for a few points here. Still have time. We'll see. They're still pressing on this offer. Give them a chance.
Don't request the leaker to speak to anybody. You can't seek a leak.
Yeah, I think buyer's still good.
Bunch of
I'm gonna get out of it
criminals.
first. I don't know why my stop orders are like negative now. I think I'd rather get shorts than long, so I'm gonna wait for this. I'll just let them buy it up.
They came down and filled that little the empty tooth in the ES DOM, and that was it. Straight back up. 100% win rate, undefeated on that strat. Candle Nerd says XY, nice jersey.
Glad you like it.
Crazy. This is crazy. I can't believe I'm here. Still here, actually.
I didn't know you were this big of a basketball fan. Honestly, I had no idea.
How
It's
the
not even
hell?
the basketball thing. I'm really not. It's just like it's just he's it's my team because it's OKC.
Yeah.
Like, do you live in San Antonio? No, you don't. You live in fucking California. So for you just to show up in a Spurs jersey is crazy.
Like if I was all of a
thought
sudden
it- I
like
thought
a
it
really
looked
big
nice as
Chicago
well.
Bulls fan, it would be weird.
I thought it looked nice as all the colors are pretty.
Now, since I don't have a basketball team, if I wanted to start watching basketball, can I just pick whoever? Like, what are
Yeah.
the rules? Okay. Okay. Because I don't really want to be a Cavs fan. That would be the closest geographical thing.
Cavs are pretty good now.
Are they?
Not good enough. They just got knocked out by the Knicks, but they got that
Who
far.
who's
Conference
a
final.
team who's a team that's like the Pittsburgh Pirates equivalent of basketball? Like
Well, if I knew the answer, or if I watched baseball, I could probably tell you, but I
Chad,
don't.
can you help? Philly is not closer to Cleveland than me. Philly's like 7 hours. Cleveland's like 2. Pistons. Okay. Whoa. All right. You're talking to me now. I like Pistons. I like Pacers. Actually, if I was going to watch basketball, I would just go back and pick the teams that I played on NBA Jam.
Well, the Pistons are kind of they're a rough house, you know. They're tough. They're very physical.
Jim said to get back to trading. Nah, Jim didn't say that. That's
They're
crazy.
they're very unlike Stowe, you know, like chill,
Okay.
want to be nice. They're very not nice.
All right.
Absolutely not nice.
I
They've
sometimes
got
like
like
that
the
in my
bad boy
sports teams.
identity, you know?
Okay. Okay.
Who's got the bad boy identity?
Pistons.
The Pistons.
They've this year was their attempt to really bring it back, but they fell short. Very short.
Okay.
But they were really good during the season. They were the first seed in the Eastern Conference. The best record.
Well, that's not.
And then
I
they
can't-
lost to the worst playoff opponent.
Ugh.
So that's a little tricky.
That's close enough that I could go to games. That's like 6 hours. I could make that trip.
Yeah, so someone said Pistons were top seed in the East. Doesn't remind me of the Pirates. LOL.
True. Also rude.
Well, I'm gonna try to layer into some shorts again. See where these fills end up. They're really running away now.
This is just a really annoying trade up here.
Dude, where the hell is my stop? All right.
Did you haggle? Did you negotiate? Did you
I'm
get your?
don't even look at my chart. You won't even see anything. I'm haggling so hard right now. I'm literally like, look, this is where I am. You're gonna meet me. And they're not really looking to do that right now, but I don't want to get in over my skis on this idea. I'm trying to get a 30K day here.
Hell yeah.
Gave back a little bit. Scratching out that long earlier and then getting at that short. So I'm looking for them to come to me on the price. But there's a lot of buying here right here. And I think I'm gonna have to chase it if this buying just goes underwater now. So they're trading 632s. I'll probably have to come down. If not, grab these fills and see if I want to just get out of the trade again while the market moves.
I'm a Brewers fan too, honestly, Reginald.
A what fan?
I like the Brewers. I mean, if I have to switch, once the Pirates are out of it at the end of the year, I always switch to the Brewers first. Rather die than root for the Cubs. Know this.
Well, what's with you in Chicago?
It's not Chicago. Lovely city. Lovely place.
Well, you
Not a
just said
problem. I
no
got
way
no
you'd root
beef
for
with
the
Chicago.
Bulls, and now you're like, no way I'd root for the Cubs.
I would absolutely root for the White Sox, of course.
Wait, Cubs? Not Chicago? Is it Chicago?
That's Chicago. White Sox are also Chicago. That's their American League
Wow,
team.
they're so rich they got two teams.
They are. They're trying to do this New York City thing.
I wish I could go back to the beginning of the season, put some money on the Cubs.
Wow, that's a throwback. We're also talking about Back to the Future today, too.
All right. All right, I got 12. See if they can start hitting bid. Still got some limit orders up higher.
You guys both perching from the top rope up here, huh?
I'm trying. I think Leo literally has a top rope short.
Yeah.
Do a short coming into the stream.
I got short when Jim was talking.
Yeah. It's pretty good, man.
All right, buyers be gone.
Nick, I don't remember. Yeah, Nick had to use the Wayne Brady soundbite last night, Leo. He pulled it. He pulled out all the stops.
All right, ES. ES 27.5. Looks like they could be stuck.
Now, Tex says that we're pinned at a gamma wall right now. So which is it? Is it R2 or is it a gamma wall? Chat, you're not allowed to have both. So you guys are going to have to fight
Where's
about
the
what we're
gamma
pinned
wall? Where's the
Is
wall
the
at?
gamma wall in the room with us?
643 is the gamma wall.
So they're saying that we're gonna literally close within like the 10-point range of 643. Is that how it works?
I don't, the thing about the gamma wall stuff is I always start making a joke about it before anybody actually finishes telling me what it does.
Oh.
So,
All right. Well, the selling is kind of fading here. What the hell? Gotta
they're
get
going
back
to
in
push. Can we get the Klifsky? Look at all those guys down there. They need filled. 625. How many lots you got on? Do I see you on the Dom right now, XY?
here. Nah, I got
You got
12 on
73
right
lots
now.
on?
I got 4 more on the limit. Yeah, just keeping it around in case they want to blip
right.
and fill or they
All
want to
right.
do a little dancey dance up higher. It looks, yeah, the delta is turning right now. So we'll see. I don't know that I want to hold on to this much longer.
Twist 3D says why NQ over ES, and I'll have you know that my friend Leo the Tiger once did some math and mathematically proved that NQ was a better trade than any other market because of the potential
Well,
daily
no,
range
it wasn't
to make.
exactly that, right? It was that NQ traders made more.
No,
Well, two things, but Stowe can keep going.
no. I'd rather hear what it actually was versus what I was about to make up for fun.
NQ traders make more than ES traders on balance. So there's that. ES is a very efficient market, and I don't want to be an efficient market person, but it is very efficient. I mean, why do you think the order book's so thick? Either way, that's really not the point. It's the point that there is, in a 5-minute period, in the average 5-minute range, mathematically, there's more volatility, I guess is the easiest way to say it. If you just look at a 5-minute ATR and average it out over, say, 10 to 20 days. If you calculate the tick size by 5-minute, by that 5-minute average move, and NQ is going to provide the most opportunity in any given 5-minute candle. So you can extrapolate that out to, there are more opportunities in NQ intraday than any other market on a dollar for dollar basis. That's it.
Yep, that is exactly what I was going to say. Verbatim.
Yeah, with a thick book like ES, it's so hard for price to just move. And as a scalper, it's not as pleasurable for sure. So with NQ, you can get that you can be trading the same idea, and NQ could have fulfilled that trade 3 times over, and ES is barely working towards it. So I think as soon as I switch to NQ,
Did you watch me trade this morning, XY?
no,
Why are you calling out the exact thing that happened to me this morning? Are you trying to be
what
mean to
happened?
me?
You took a trade on ES, it didn't work out.
No,
and
I
then
had
NQ
them
did
both
it?
running. I had ES and NQ both, and I'm just doing this, just one screen to another. Like, what's wrong with you? What's wrong?
Yeah, I remember as soon as I switched to NQ, the same day that I switched for the first time, I already knew, I was like, I'm not going back. I ain't going back. It was so much better because, patience is a big thing in trading, and NQ alleviated the need for like super, super patience because it would just work sooner. So that was one thing too, right? It's not like you should do it if you're impatient because blah blah blah, but it definitely helped me with ES, especially with a scalping mentality, right? It's I don't like to hold on to trades, and NQ alleviated that too. It was look, you're about to find out if this is gonna work or not. And the biggest thing is to be careful with the entry, obviously, because it whips around. So you get used to it, you'll get used to how you should enter and risk and all that. Like the joke at the time, maybe it still is, I don't know. The joke was always put your entry where your stops are for the NQ, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, NQ is ribbed for pleasure. Thank you, Italian brother.
Wow.
Thank you, my Italian brother.
Hey,
Yeah,
some
I
things
just
chat says you shouldn't repeat.
if I take an ES trade, it's like same idea. It's because it's set up first, but I'll also take it on NQ as well, even if I'm already in the ES. But if I'm in the NQ, I won't take it on the ES afterwards.
It was the delivery. The delivery is what got me off guard. I wasn't ready. Whew.
Never let them know your next move.
We don't read everyone of the chat's messages for a reason, Nick said.
I mean, I read them, just not out loud.
I had to read that one. Come on, man. My brother. Never leave your brother on red.
My friend
blood brother.
Alex just said that he took the short with me. So congrats, Alex.
Oh, okay.
Little
Nice.
40-point trade here.
Good job. Good job, Jens.
Oh, we
Very
need
good.
another like 150. Trying to see ES trade back to like the 17.
We need to get below these 620s. That's the
Yeah. There's a 96 slot on 25. I don't know what his deal is. Just buy it lower, man. It's on sale.
There you go.
oh, here we
Oh.
go. Come into the 20s.
Okay. Instant fill. I guess I can remove these orders now.
Don't blow it. Bears.
Man, as soon as you have to even say that, as soon as you
Yeah.
think like don't do it, that's when they're just gonna be like, oops, I tripped and fell. I've fallen and I can't get up.
It's
Is
really
your guys'
like
chart based? Because they all look different. I think my chart is based.
Based?
Yeah.
What the hell does that mean?
came down and filled this.
Let's go.
You saw it come back and then stack, push back on it. Nice.
Mine is volume based. Volume.
Oh, I see. Leo's chart is so based.
I was
yeah,
like,
I mean,
yeah, it's fucking based.
Yeah, when he was like, yes, it's based, I was like, wait, this is not the base I'm thinking of. This
It
is.
is.
you know what I was thinking today?
I'm 1 minute.
I was thinking about the like the futures products for single stock futures, right? And I was like, I wonder what I'm gonna trade. I wonder what those charts are gonna look like. And I realized while I was thinking that, what I was really thinking was, I wonder what volume Leo's gonna figure out is the best to trade and tell me. So
It's going to take a while to figure out. 'Cause I mean,
I was gonna ask you, how long is it gonna take for you to make that chart book and send it for free to all of your friends so that we'll have something to do.
See ya, Tom Dog.
Thanks, Tom.
Hit the likes. Hit the likes on the way out.
Yeah, pump them.
Leo, can we trade the 530s, you think? Should, right?
530.
Mm.
I mean,
Is that too
yeah.
much to ask?
No, I don't think it's too much to ask.
I mean, the point of control is all the way at 420 still.
If we trade there, I think we're going to back into the bulk of the range, honestly. That'd be a big failure.
All right, sellers. We've got buying 621 to 24.25.
Ooh, that guy just came down for that fill.
Mm-hmm.
What, that 57 or something?
Yeah,
Mhm.
There's some
that was
urgency,
cool.
but passive. I'm trying to see big prints on the bid. ES, man. Got to break that overnight high, and then we could probably get to the 17s.
All right. I actually want to know, can we do a poll
Okay.
on who is planning on actively trading single stock futures when they come out? And we're talking about they're about 30 days to 45 days out.
Yeah.
Who's going to be trading NVIDIA? Can we
You said
mean,
30 days out?
can we do a poll? Yeah, it's not far.
Yeah,
I want to
definitely want to
see
give it a shot.
a poll in the chat.
I'm definitely going to take a look and see what of this weird stuff that I'm up to can click onto it. I'm gonna need some volume though.
Yeah, I
Right?
really hope it's liquid. That would be sick.
There will, there's going to be a liquidity provider already lined up. Do you guys think it will do into the? No, I don't think so. It'll do anything to the price of the stock. I mean, I think it'll just track stock.
Yeah, I think they would just
prices.
trade in line with each other. All right, well, there's
Definitely
some
consider
big
it.
buying here.
Wait, well, how does it work though? Is it a future?
One contract is equal to 100 shares, and
Okay.
then the tick value. I can't remember. The ticks are a penny, but I don't have the tick value. I can find them though.
Is it just leveraged and cash settled, or is there like 4 contracts? Like, will there be June Nvidia futures, September Nvidia futures?
I don't know the answer on that part of it. I don't know if
Okay.
they'll have expirations, but I do have the CME, which will be available at launch. There will be 54 names available at launch.
Oh, they're saying chat's saying quarterly expirations.
Oh, quarterly. Okay, cool.
Interesting. Okay.
I don't know. Okay, so where can I find the details of the contract specs?
Oh, Tracy just sent them. Thank you, Tracy.
Oh, there you go.
You the best.
It was like 80
Oh,
tickers,
okay,
right?
okay. One. Okay, so it looks like a penny is equal to $1.
Okay.
So if you have 100, yeah. Okay, so
Costco isn't on here. Nick's not even making a joke. Hell yeah.
He's eyeing them Costco longs.
is that
You know, it
right?
sucks.
$1?
I went to Costco on Saturday. Entire cafeteria closed, and I didn't know until I got to the end for my victorious hot dog and Diet Coke. It was not possible. It was the biggest rug pull of the year, easily.
Snooze, you lose, man.
No, like it was closed for renovation. Like they had a
Oh,
tarp
like they
over
never
it.
even opened that day.
No.
Oh, okay.
Like it was dead. It's gone.
That's for sure rug pull. That shouldn't even be legal.
The leverage is really low on a contract per contract basis compared to like even the ES micro, NQ micro. It's $1 per tick. A tick is a penny. So you're gonna probably want to trade, I don't know, 10, 20, 50 contracts.
That seems crazy.
I personally, I think it's going to be pretty big.
I think it'll be big. I just don't know like how soon. But if there's a liquidity provider, yeah.
There is.
I guess it depends how much they got.
Lower margin, financially settled, includes futures, no risk of early exercise, linear payout. Yeah,
Dream is dead
better
on
than
short.
options, for sure.
Might have
Yeah,
to
you
go
don't
break
need
even.
to not that like the names that they have in this list are a problem for getting shares to short, but you don't have to worry about that. You can just short it.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. $1 per tick. Ticks are a penny. 100 shares of underlying is the exposure.
I can't wait to see how the Gamma Bros approach this. Like, are dealers going to have to hedge Apple shorts with actual Apple stock? Does this become some sort of
Dude, what is this?
like gamma cone or whatever?
I had to go break even on those shorts, man.
McDonald's is on the list. Walmart, Johnson & Johnson, Bank of America. Who's going to trade Bank of America?
Yeah, there's a lot of funny stuff on here. United. Yeah, I mean, you could trade United Health. I don't know how much that moves. I don't look at any actual stocks though.
I mean, just imagine though, like having alerts set for when these things, become volatile, like relative volume. You could
Yeah.
use that pretty heavily.
Yep.
I did a
Like,
lot
what are
of
the 5
banks
stocks that have
options
high RVol?
during COVID.
Yeah.
And then people were doing, what is XLF is the finance one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I wonder what the margin is. Is the margin listed somewhere, Tracy? Is it different per ticker?
Okay, I'm having trouble filling shorts.
I thought you were still short.
I scratched out break even because it went all the way back up,
Uh,
and now I'm trying to get in. I didn't want to hold on to it if they were just gonna kill them with all that buying. They had like a
Yeah.
crazy delta flip down there. But all right, we're back in. We're a little short.
Chat.
what was the question? The question is, what are the margin requirements
Oh yeah.
for? Are they different per ticker, or are they the same? I'm looking through the PDF and it doesn't say anything about margin. It just says it's lower. Okay.
They're gonna make me beg for likes. You see what we've done to me? On a day I'm supposed to just be chilling and answering questions.
Y'all here begging for likes?
Begging for likes?
That's our life now.
All right, let me
Guys,
see.
I don't want to beg for the likes, but please, what are we doing?
What kind of all right, you got 803 people chilling in here. That's a good amount. I got 150 likes. Horrendous ratio. 172, thank you. If you pump these likes to 500, Leo will take his own cat off and put a Spurs hat on. He's got one in the wings just for this occasion.
That's a straight up lie.
It's
What
for
are
the
you
likes.
talking
It's for the
about?
likes.
Yeah, the lie is for the likes.
I don't lie.
They didn't say politely ask and tell the truth for likes. They said lie to get as many likes on here as you possibly can. And then by the time we're at the end of the show, we'll just have run out of time and the chat will forget all about my little fib
Guys,
about
maybe if
your
you
Spurs
hit the
hat.
likes, the market will finally just go down.
That's also possible.
Tracy, let me know on the margin. I can't find it anywhere. Single stock futures failed back in 2002 because they were not set up correctly. The product makes or breaks the popularity of something, and they were not popular whatsoever. Looks like margin will be 15% of notional. Okay.
Okay.
So it'd be dependent on the ticker then.
I'm not giving this room. I'm giving it 6 points.
I wonder what type of day trade margins the brokers are going to be able to offer.
Yeah. So one contract is 100 shares. So if something's $500, that's like
So it's the same thing as options.
75 to $100 notional per contract.
Well, I mean, no, if it's 100 shares and the stock's $100, then that's 10K notional. So then you
Okay.
have
Yep. Gotcha.
10% of that. So that's like, that is $1,000.
Right. So that's gonna be like your full margin requirement. So it's gonna look
right.
like NQ
Right.
a little bit.
So
Okay.
I'm
NQ.
assuming like day trade margins will be lower.
Yeah.
We better ask Claude. What? Are we living in a world where asking Claude is the source of truth?
I don't ask Claude stuff.
Haven't we been?
I tell Claude stuff, by the way. There's two kinds of people in this world: Claude askers and Claude tellers.
Being the second one seems a little risky.
Claude works for me, and I hope he didn't hear that just now.
No, 250. Yeah, that's right. The tax treatment. Oh,
Dude,
there's
none of
no
these shorts.
1256. Really?
All right, all right. Damn sellers. See if I can get up higher.
I might still want to trade them. Do you? I know if prop firms will support single stock. I don't know.
I would imagine if there's a demand for it, they'll figure it out. But it's going to need to be a demand for it first.
I think you gotta do like, or you gotta see if it could be gamed, kind of like what they were doing to silver and stuff for a while. The metals that one time where they were just gaming the sim spread or whatever.
Yeah.
That was kind of crazy.
Yeah, big bond game too.
Claudio Lopez. It's good to hear, man. I mean, I'm glad you're getting the hang of it. It's not easy. See if I can get better entries on shorts here.
Claudio, I'd say I was happy for you, but if you didn't learn anything from me, then what how am I, I'm not even invested in your success at all, probably. So
Cool, I guess. Or sorry to hear.
I guess whatever. I'm not reading all that.
Happy for you or sorry to hear that.
Man, that's crazy.
Just kidding.
He's not kidding. Don't listen to him.
Hell yeah, there you go. I'm back in. I'm back invested, Claudio. Thank you. Fish for a compliment, you might get one.
What about likes?
Fish for a like, I think we got some. We're up to 250. I don't know what the quota is.
Is there a quota?
I don't know. It's been a hot minute. Do I get to carry over, since I'm doing double shift, do I get to carry over any of my 11 to noon likes for my quota?
No.
No?
No, because the stream ended and it's total reset. Total reset.
I feel like when I go into my arbitration agreement, I might have to work on that part of the 400. Crime in Italy. All right. How much time we got? I got 50 minutes for another 140 likes. All right.
What are we at?
260.
260?
Mm-hmm.
Dude, I'm out here I'm singing like 16 lots. What do you guys want from me? Literally, I was in a 16 lot trade just earlier. Trying to get back in now.
I think they've desensitized themselves to. There you go. There's some wiggling.
Don't want wiggling. Just want a waterfall, you know? I want to feel more, but
let's see. I don't know if they're going to choke on it twice.
Yeah. Looking at ES, I'm really just ES needs to crack that overnight high. That's what this whole thing is about for me. So as I'm getting into the NQ shorts, I'm just waiting for them to crack. I mean, we were floating 6K PNL earlier. I was hoping for that crack then, and it didn't. That sucked. All the way back to break even.
Well, it's dry as a bone down here at 22.75. I mean, they crossed field 3, so
Yeah,
it's like
I need to sell it across tape. Like I see them like 45 lots at 628, sure, but it's a passive sell.
Yeah,
I'm trying to see bid hitting, urgency, crossing the tape.
Yeah,
all that.
They ain't doing it down here where they need to do it.
They're likely going to fill the 628 here, 45. Then I want to see what happens then. 31 now. There it is, the rest of it.
Oh, thank you. Sign Poof 500 for the like. I'll do that if you guys want to, since I'm not really getting into any new trades. If you tell me you like the chat, I'll do a special, thank you. Maybe like a birthday wish for a relative. If
Doing
you have
shout
anybody.
outs?
Yeah, we can do We'll do like a little cameo, but very cheap for likes.
Shout
I
outs
think we'd
for
have to
likes.
be at least on like 300 likes or something.
Yeah, you guys let me know.
This is
Let me know what
crazy.
you want me to say into the microphone, and I'll say literally anything you type into the chat.
Ooh, well, this is a big check. You are writing a big check.
I just got.
There's that line from Top Gun. I think it applies here. You're writing checks that your body can't cash.
Yeah, well, I've already gotten 3 "you got a minute" texts.
You're
right
writing
in a
checks
row.
that production can't cash.
I think it's fudge. I think they just forget. So I mean, it's just not
Forget what? What are we talking about?
to hit the like button.
Oh, maybe they're just so locked in, you know?
Also,
Probably
yeah,
trading, actually.
they're locked in.
Your trades will work out better if you hit the like.
Probably our stream is playing like in a closed window off in the corner of their stream so that they're hiding it from their boss, pretending they're actually working, as opposed to listen to us talk about nonsense. That's another guess.
I can understand that. What I can't understand is this buying. ES overnight high, dude.
It's a generational
Who
buying
likes it so
opportunity.
much?
Yeah.
Who likes it so much? Yeah, I'm only gonna give this like 12
I mean, look at
points.
that hellacious. Look at this hellacious auction. I might even draw a crayon on this. This is gnarly.
These
This
bastards.
is price happiness. But I mean, point of control is still down there at 88, though. They're gonna put it up here before the
These
day's
bastards.
over.
Hey,
There's
you
no
know
way they
what?
don't.
Maybe it's that gamma thing.
Well, if we sit here long enough, I'll get another like 4 reasons why we're stuck here. Currently, I got an IB extension, gamma wall. What else could it be? Is there a fib up here?
I'm literally trying to just to get the best short average possible right now. This thing breaks, I will let them have the dub.
Up. Sweep of the 2-hour low was a buy, and there was a 1-hour FVG down there. So we got that also.
Thank you.
You're
Thank
really
you.
reaching now.
I'm trying to find stuff to talk about. And this is what the chat, I promised the chat I would read whatever they want.
You weren't serious though, so
Well, I try to do some of the things that you don't think that I would do just to make sure
Never let them know your next move.
everybody's on their toes so they don't
Yeah.
all of a sudden, like, I don't want to get too predictable around here.
Yeah, never let them know your next move.
You
are
are
not
not
serious
people. That's true. It's true.
that's like
Who said that?
Is that supposed to be an insight or a slap
Who
in the
said
face? An insult?
Some gentleman named Zach Thomason. Not
Who gave
Thompson,
it away?
Thomason.
Did he say
This
it
dude
like
just says you don't have to talk. Sick. Harsh, bud. My word.
tough crowd?
Tough crowd.
Tough crowd.
You think he liked the chat or not?
Mm. Uh, all right, I'm not chasing.
Oh, nice, Fred. That's great.
Not chasing these fills anymore. I hate it. I hate it so much right now.
Mm.
Nice.
Oh, okay. We got VIX weeklies expiring tomorrow. Okay. Do they call that Vixpiration these days? Is that what that's called?
10 lots. Maybe I got too greedy with
I don't
these
know,
limit
dude.
orders. Too greedy with these limit
We're just
orders.
putting we're just putting a node here.
Yeah, POC's up here now.
ES is testing it. Come on. It's all about ES right now.
It is, yes.
Literally.
Look at how thick that bid got, though. Look at how thick the whole book got. Wow.
Yeah.
Ugh, gross. Summer's coming so hard.
Hey. Yo.
You know what I
Hey.
meant. You know what I meant.
Boss.
I think
Tough,
Stowe got a
phrasing.
little extra coffee today. You know what
What
I'm
did that
saying?
vibe
I
check say
did.
today?
You
What
know,
was
I
on that
did.
vibe check?
I did because I was so tired. I smashed so, like 2 extra coffees. Extra protein coffee too.
Italian
Yes.
guy gonna come back in a
DSV
second
says
with that
love a
one.
thick book.
Oh my gosh.
Oh man, I cannot add any more down here. Damn it.
Well, it's officially hot as all get out now.
Yes. What's the deal?
It's 94 here.
Holy Moses. It's perfect here right now. It's seriously, it like no clouds, 65 with a breeze. It's incredible. They're trying so hard, XY.
Oh, they're crossing tape. Finally.
Yeah, they're pretending to. Come on, baby.
Finally crossing tape for the first time. Are they gonna regret it though? Hmm. Shoot. I don't have any TPs. See if we can get down a VWAP. All right, well, I am missing 6 extra lots, but I guess we can't complain if it actually finally works out. I'm missing quite a few here.
You're trying to get to VWAP? You're trying to get a casual
No, I don't expect it there. I'm
150
definitely not
points?
holding it for VWAP, but it's in case something just happens, at least I can get covered. Earlier in the longs, like a lot of times they would spike it
Yeah.
and I'd miss that cover because I don't have any TPs.
That's why I
I've
always
been
keep something
manually
on the moon.
covering all day. I've just been manually covering. So it's kind of like
okay.
going up with the market and just letting it go, not chopping myself down on the contracts. And sometimes they would just spike it like crazy. And I'd be like, I wish I had like at least a limit or two to take some on that. So when they come back, I'll just add it on again, instead of round tripping it. Kinda ish.
Rhino, crossing the tape refers to when market orders go to either side of the bid or ask. You can see that here with the bid and at bid and at ask. And you see this little white box? So every time a market order happens, this white box flips sides. And so when XY was looking for sellers to cross the tape and actually try to push this thing lower on both ES and NQ, they finally got down here and tried to market order into this low, meaning they're trying to push out this low. Did they get it? No, they sure didn't.
Nope.
Yeah, but we say crossing the tape, crossing the spread, same thing.
I didn't realize today was the first of the month. Congrats
It's the
to
first
all
of the
you enjoyers.
month.
Man, that song was so good.
Yes, it was. Tex, I reset it. I don't know, kind of whenever I'm like when a new idea happens and I want to see new information. Sometimes if it's a trending day, I'll probably have it on the whole day. Like I probably won't touch the thing all day until it rotates at least 60 points. If it's NQ, until it rotates at least 60 point counter trend, then I'll probably reset it because that's a sign the trend could be cooling off.
All right, ES.
The Hands wonders, will
Dude,
Stowe and XY
ES.
be releasing their DOM setups for the new free DOM? It's a
Dom
great
setups
question.
for the what?
Wait,
For the
it's already out. It's
for
free.
the free
It's
DOM.
free. It's already out there.
But will we be releasing our personal settings for it?
I don't even think that's a thing. Like you can even
It has
share
to
like a
be
file like
has to
that.
be no, it has to be published in the DOM. We would have to put out a new file.
I don't even think it's necessary. I just have a pull stack. I mean, you guys can see it on our content, like what we're looking at, and just put it on your DOM.
Yeah, or if you watch my setup video, I just do it in there.
Oh yeah,
too.
there's literally
You can just
that.
do it.
Yeah.
This is why I don't do videos anymore.
Pull stack, bid ask.
Nick was talking about it last night. He was like, I don't know if I'm going to be able to make the video course because it's a lot of work. And I'm not sure anybody asking for it is actually going to watch it.
Exactly.
Yeah, there is that unfortunate fact that when things are free, they're kind of just there. There's no urgency to really refer to it, things like that. It's kind of like, great, there's something that's free. I'll bookmark it and maybe do something about it at some point or with it. Then if it's not free, then you're a scammer. So it's a difficult landscape.
It sure is. It sure is.
All right. This could be bad.
No worries, Hans.
Be bad. This could be bad. 625 buyers cannot be rewarded here. $625 to $623, huge buying.
Fred, are you talking to me or XY? Actually, I'm pretty sure we both use a 60-point rotation. I don't know. But my delta resets every 60 points on NQ.
Mine is 50, but there's no rhyme or reason. Honestly, it's everyone keeps asking about the rotation on my leg to leg deltas. It's just 50 because it's 50. There's nothing more to it.
Yep.
Same thing with it's a word, compression, tick compression. It's just like I just want to see the numbers, and that's it. There's no trick. There's no secret to it.
Yeah, no problem, Fred. I like to get 30 points as a scalper, and 60 is twice the amount of 30. And I like the idea that, well, shit, if I can maybe get half of this, it's not bad. So that's how I try to think of it.
Dude, dump it already. They have lifted like 500 lots on the offer in these mid 620s.
Thanks, Choice, not Chance. Tell your friends.
What are they telling them?
Oh, that's nice. Jacob's giving us compliments.
Thank you.
Thank
Sorry,
you.
I'm trying to see this trade work out.
I got you. You guys do your thing. Leo,
I've been
go ahead.
just
Leo's like sitting
babysitting.
pretty with runners.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
I have not
I'm just
scaled
waiting.
anything.
I assume that Leo was over there scrolling anti-Spurs TikTok this whole time.
Commenting on all of them.
You suck.
Liking all of the anti stuff.
I don't even need to. I get all the hate right in front of me.
Oh, come on. Dude, ES.
Hey, Gary, what's up, homie?
A 1,047 against the ask. 76.23 and 3/4. Really? They are buying the hell out of this ES.
Ex-wife, you formally argued with Salma about the Knicks yet, or
No, I don't argue about sports.
okay? I just wondered if I missed that stream.
I'm like legit NBA basketball nerd for a majority of my life.
This
And
is
I've
true.
found that there are very few people out there that have watched and digested basketball as much as I do.
Okay.
So it's kind of like, opinions, everyone's got one. It's totally fine. But no one really has a full picture of basketball. And it's kind of like arguing auction market theory to an ICT trader. What's the point?
Okay.
Are
That's
you
fair.
comparing me to that? Is that what you're saying?
ICT, OKC, Spurs and 7.
I'm just saying.
Leo's just sitting here like, I fucking hate this guy.
Looks like Leo got turtle souped. Know what I
They're
mean?
just induced. Oh, God, I hate this. Dude, it's already almost M period. I've just been here wrestling with this short, trying to get positioned somewhere safe.
Does IFEG mean inverse fair value gap, by the way? Can anybody help me with that?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. Inverse from what? So like how could a fair value gap, how could you get on the other side of a single print?
It's like a break and retest, I think. If it forms on the downside, you would take it once it breaks to the upside. You would take the retest of it, I think.
Okay, so like we're staring at
It's
the
just
rest of this single print from 604 to 613. So if this was a 30, let's call this a 30-minute FVG for the sake of argument. I know it's not the same thing.
kind of.
So if we get to the other side of this, an IFVG setup would be to short from this former single print.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Cool. Thank you.
Big
Thank you,
FEG
thank you.
guy. I'm a big FEG guy.
So it's just all right. So it's like the mean revert. So FVGs are trends. IFVGs are mean reverting off of failed trends.
Yeah, it's just like a break out or a breakdown retest,
Okay.
but it's not. You can't sell anything calling it that.
That's cool. I'm just checking. I'm just checking. I've never asked, and I got a lot of time on my hands today. So I'm
Big
trying to keep that
questions. Asker
participation
guy, huh?
going. Not historically, no. Just to
Like,
Leo.
is this what
Why
happens
is this
when
broken?
I'm not trading? I just sit here and I guess I'll just ask some questions.
Did you ask Leo about your gold data package yet, or
Oh
have you
no,
not?
I'm
Have you
sure I
not?
just need to like
Okay.
reactivate it. I haven't even pulled it up in so long. But
All
I
right,
think
328.
I think the short is cooked here. ES is really finding that bid. So now it's weird. It's divergent. No, AS and NQ. So I'm like, should I just take this money on NQ because ES is moving up? Or is ES a liar?
I mean, the opposite's been true. ES has been lagging NQ all day up until right now, if that helps.
That overnight high is just strong as hell in ES. All right. Okay. We got underneath some buying here in the 629, 630s. Big buying earlier in this range, but I don't see it now quite yet. Oh, there it is. There it is. Double-digit sizes across these ticks. Yep.
Choice, not chance. I literally never look at a TPO chart. I only look at volume profiles. That's it. I just don't. I've never been able to apply a TPO chart to anything that I'm up to.
You know what? I think the Gamma people are onto something today. Because this is where they said that the
Don't
pin
give
was
them an
pinning,
inch.
right?
Don't give them an inch.
They said the pin was pinning right here, right? Something like that?
They say a lot of things.
I could see that too.
Yeah, you're welcome, Choice. Yeah, lots of people like them. Dude, it's just me. I can't make sense of them.
What, TPOs?
My brain is broken. We've established that.
TPOs?
Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah. TPOs are nice.
See? There you go.
If there were no platforms that would allow me to put hourly candles instead of the blocks, I would be using a TPO. But I think candles instead of the blocks just works out way better for me.
Yeah.
A lot of people are purists, though. They're like, oh, well, candles are fake. Order flow doesn't care, but whatever.
Just look at what works.
It's just
Like-
easy to glance at, the open and the close. With the blocks, like the letters will get highlighted. And I need to see like, wait, what's the open and the close? And like with candles, it's just literally a quick glance and you've got your answer. So
Oh,
it's easier for
man.
me.
I'm getting too excited. Oh!
Nothing's happening until ES is literally under its overnight high.
It's a little splash Rooney, though.
I'm not covering any of this.
Oh, was NQ? Was ES the liar?
Let's see. There's 2375s, this friggin' 1,000 lot offer lifter here. Crossing tape NQ. Very nice. Okay, buyer at 23 3/4 is still there. Definitely. Jeez.
Ooh, baby.
Oh, he's getting vanquished.
You guys are making me feel really good about this short.
Yeah.
That might be a bad sign.
No, it's fine.
The short looks so good. It's like, wait a minute. Yeah, I'm just looking at 23 3/4 ES right now. Huge buying at that price earlier. And they're doing it again.
That's a decent cover there at like that 03 spot. The +1 is right at overnight high at 595 also.
No, delete that shit.
All right, cool.
Delete that line.
Let me put ES in front of it. There we go. I can't even
We're
see
looking like we're looking for 530s at least. Honestly, I'm just looking for ES to crack the swing. And if they start moving, then I can hold this more easily. But if not, yeah, I'll probably start to cover. I only have 10 though. I really wanted 16. Revenge sizing.
Ooh.
I shouldn't have scratched out that 16 lots I had. Yes, still can't really crack it.
Oh, what do we mean by gamma people? It's just a joke.
Stowe's grandma.
Stowe's, yeah. My
Called her
gram.
gamma. Yeah, gamma's a thing. We just don't know anything about it.
Yeah, it has something to do with options, open interest, and the amount of futures
Like
contracts that
dealers
dealers
having
need
to
to hedge
hedge.
against them. And
Yeah.
there's
We're
positive
the
gamma
wrong guys.
environments, negative ones. Um, One thing that I like to do pretty consistently is that if I don't understand something, I make fun of it a lot. So that's what all I was
Cope.
really trying to accomplish. Yeah, it's part of my coping.
We're moving.
Where are you going here? Zero?
I'm mostly looking at ES. I want to see ES trade at least like to the 17. I've got grand ideas, which is why I was trying to get 16 lots, and I had it earlier, scratched out of them for nothing. Could have held on to it, be
What a nice
perfectly
little
safe.
what a nice little trade for yourself, bud. That was a great trade.
Yeah, it's cooking right now. It's cooking. Finally, I mean, I worked my ass off for this one. Trying to get like a nice safe position. Scratched out of a bunch of shorts. Still giving him a chance to run further here. The volume is pretty thick, which is good. Okay. And Q's overnight high.
Mm-hmm.
Found a snappy bid, but I think they can trade under them. Let's see if they can. Think we can really move if they can trade under this bid.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, into that 590 node. Through that 590 node would be pretty dope.
I'm still looking at ES here, looking for 17s to trade. Beautiful.
Ooh, look at
Beautiful.
that. All right. Here's an
You
iceberg, chat. Everybody look at 7620. Everybody stare at him.
get out of here.
Point at
oh
'em.
my God.
Point at him and
Hey.
laugh at him.
Ha ha. We see you.
All right, I'm gonna give this a little time to shake. See if I need to cover some here. I want to see how they act around the iceberg. They're still trying to get to it, but yeah, they're back at the berg. Can they trade under it? NQ's running. ES is they're still hitting the bid.
It's so fat. It's just so fat. They just got 100 points on every tick. It's just gonna be a pain in the ass.
London opens soon. NQ here.
It's on the Dom, coach. It's right here at the ask. I mean, you can see it. You can certainly see it on the Delta volume profile, but you don't know necessarily that it's not a resting order just by looking at the Delta volume profile because you can't see resting orders
I
there.
covered half down here. I'm down to 5 lots. I'm willing to re-offer.
Good. Looks good, homie. But you get into this spot and it's not like this is obviously more than the resting order. And you can see this white box crosses the tape, as we were saying earlier, over to the bid side and presses into this. And you just see it tick, 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 tick up to 1600. And that's certainly more than we're sitting there. So that's a nice
Building a lot under this iceberg here. Pretty heavy. If they pull price up, I will look to put some size back on. Looks like I got about 10 minutes. Or I might just do that here. Get my contracts back.
Text says, nice hold, Leo. Just want to make sure Leo's getting his compliments. Might be locked in.
You're in charge of the chat today.
I know. Yeah, I like it. Is this cool? Chat, do you enjoy this as much as I do? We're at 332 likes. I got
hell yeah.
70 more, and I got 20 minutes to do it. What can I do?
Shout outs. When you
Shout
supposed to do
outs.
personalized shout outs?
Yeah, I mean, nobody wanted that.
Trying to see if I want to get some.
Sav, you want to see a jig? Like what? Like an Irish jig? I don't know. I don't know how I can
What is that? What you about to do right now?
like this? Like a shit.
You gotta get way more likes for this.
Like a shant, like a. Is this a jig? Like
What
where you
the
skip a
fuck
bit?
is going on here?
I don't know.
I just looked up and Stowe's dancing.
Yeah, man.
Giving them what they want. He's earning the like.
I got.
That's crazy.
Yeah, unfortunately, we can't play more than 3 seconds
4
of
seconds.
anything.
4 seconds.
Can we? Could we do like a 3-minute long mashup that's just 3-second intervals of every song clip we've pulled? Does that get through the copyright window or nah?
I'm trying to get some more offer here. Trying to sell more contracts that I bought.
Just get some for copyright free jams.
You saying
No, we don't trade.
studio?
DSB.
What?
This is just a dancing stream.
So they got to hit the studio. Get some production going. Music production.
Do you guys trade it all or just dance?
Oh, big
Dance,
dancing
baby.
stream.
Dances. Yeah.
Big dancing stream.
Good. I'll stay then.
Yeah.
It's like, oh, I was worried this was going to become a trading stream for a second.
Yeah.
Stowe saved us all.
You know, those other streams, they put trades on and talk about stuff involving the market.
Boo. And nobody's dancing.
Nobody dances.
Nobody dances.
Firmly seated into their chairs. All right,
They
well,
have
now
the-
ES is doing
Production
the thing
is
and
saying they
NQ
have the
is not.
technology.
All right. Oh, thank you, Cater. Thank you. Thank you. I'm a man of the people, number one, but mostly number two. Sav asked me for something, I'm going to do it. You know, this is how it works.
It looks like ES about to trade the 17s. Do I add here, though? Do I put more on? Screw it. I'll sit 7 lots.
It'll come for you. It comes.
ES is breaking. NQ is not. I hate you guys. I hate you guys. Now that ES is finally doing the thing, NQ's like, wait.
Yeah.
Wait.
It's quite rude.
My 16 lot entry, I think it was honestly, even in hindsight now, yeah, it was great, right? I scratched out of it for nothing. And I tried to get 16 back on, but yeah, they moved a little too quickly. They made the short really hard, honestly. As they do. Now ES is about to trade the 17s, but I was hoping that would have pulled NQ much lower by then into the 550s already as ES trades the 17s, but here they are now. So yeah, it's not doing what I hoped it would to NQ. Good news is we got 2 more lots added on the pullback.
Still looks really good. I mean, we're through this. We're through all these highs that we're
I think next I'd be happy if we can get to like this 7610 ES but
the fact that this got chewed through this 590 mess
ish
from pre-market.
They're trying still.
Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry, Heats. What did you say? Yeah, I was jamming. let me go back up.
How many likes we have still?
We have 367. Stowe, the setup you use for trading, is it involving paid data feed or free version? Well, I buy volume 2 or volume 2. I buy season 2 data.
Season 2 data. What is season 2 data?
It's mixtape. It's a second mixtape.
The second one?
Too much coffee. I buy level 2 data, yes, so I can see the full book. But if you're not using a depth of market tool, you don't need that. But I use a DOM, so I do need that. I think it's like $40. Season 2 data. The hell's wrong?
Don't give away all the secrets now. Come on.
What's your edge? Season 2.
Season 2
You have to
data.
season your data. You know, season data. It's got to have salt and pepper.
Market makers hate this one trick.
Is it well seasoned? Didn't think so. There goes your alpha.
This bid.
Yeah, you're welcome, bud. You're welcome. Since having what? Turgulus.
Turd burglar.
Since having level 2 data, I have always had it. Since its inception. I've had it since the beginning of time. No, I don't know. I've been trading with the DOM. Oh, yeah. Hell yeah. Since the free DOM existed? Yeah, dude. The fact that we can do everything on NinjaTrader now that I would ever want to do, and that I only have to have one platform open to accomplish all the stuff that I want to accomplish, yes. That has made my life infinitely more awesome every day. Every day I wake up in the morning and I'm like, you know what? I'm grateful for another day.
I'm flattening this. All
And I'm
right.
grateful for the freedom. I just am.
All right, that was a pretty nice short.
Good trade, homie.
They made me work for that way
Yes,
too
they did.
hard.
This thing right here.
Thank you. Thank you. I still think this thing can die. I might have to sell them back.
Oh, fair. Yeah, Trade of It doesn't have Trade of It. Still unsure about that. But yeah, they don't have this, but NinjaTrader 8 is very user friendly of a platform. I would say the learning curve is not insane. So yeah. I
You've never
recommend
seen
it.
Leo TP? Wow. That's such an odd statement.
What was it?
Well, his
Never
name
seen
is
Leo
Stop Hunter.
TP?
So are you hiding?
it's-
Are you hiding
I
your?
was hiding.
It makes sense.
Yeah. Yeah, he's just a troll.
Trying to get cute on some shorts here.
You know, when mean people have 69 in their name, it ruins it for the rest of us that are nice, but also want to put 69 in our burner usernames. So
just put XX handle 69XX.
TP is obviously at 0.
yeah.
I'm back in the shorts.
Chat, if you remember, if you were listening, Leo actually told you what his target would be if a few things happened, and those few things have happened. So
I did TP 640s and 600s. So, or right down here in 612s, I think, somewhere in here. So I've TP'd 2 times.
XY was talking about, I'm looking for the 560s. And Leo said, well, if we get to the 560s, I can see us going all the way back into the rest of
530s.
value. 530s.
Yeah, I'm short 10 lots again. Let's see. ES is really moving.
Now, I paid attention to all that while dancing and making silly jokes, trying to get us to 400 likes, which we need 19 more likes to get to, by the way, not to mention.
That's not many. I mean, that's...
So just think about next time You just gotta listen because Leo sometimes whispers it's some little facts and stuff.
Oh, we only need 20 more likes.
That's it. 19.
To get where?
400, baby.
Ooh, I mean, I think the likes were what we needed. The trade started finally working
That's true,
when it
actually.
ramped up, you know?
Have you liked it, XY?
Always. It's the first thing I do, actually, because I need to turn on the stream to pop out the chat.
Yep.
Hit the like.
Same.
Yep.
10
Same.
more. 10 more to go.
Let's go.
Oh, one more.
Oh,
One more.
Somebody pulled it back. It's 398 now.
Oh, you unliked it?
Hey!
Attention traders.
Did we hit
It's
it?
algo time.
Hit it. 400.
Oh, shit. Am I going to get cooked by the algo right here?
No, I don't think so.
I'm 10 lots into the algo.
Yeah,
There we
cook
go.
down.
I'm
Cook
10
down.
lots short into the algo, man. Someone pray for me, please.
Woo! Nice algo.
All right, I'm going to have to play it safe here and put it break even. And, well, we'll see what the algo does. Market on close, right? Get the hell out of those longs.
We hitting this value area high, or are we just going to come short?
I'm not asking for too much, just like 520s. Might need the double or nothing algo to get me there. I hate that ES has already fallen so far without NQ.
All right, now what happens if we close down here? What happened to the gamma pin? Is it dead?
Well, it's going to move. There's going to be like a put wall or something that we land on. It's fine. It's all like a shell
It's
game.
not fine. It's not fine. If it was fine, I would
Is there a
understand it.
caller? Is there a caller? Maybe?
Yeah, sure.
Dude, I should have just shorted like 25 lots ES instead. What the hell?
ES is
ES is
struggling.
doing it. NQ's
Woo!
got cold feet. ES is really doing it. I should have just shorted both.
Tracy, you coming back on to get us out of here? That's cool.
Ooh.
They don't let me say the thing anymore because I messed it up one time. I got it right a ton of times, but you
Wait,
make one
who's going to
mistake.
send us off if you're not doing it? Jim's not here.
Oh, dude, Tracy says no. Okay. All right. Well, it's on me. It's on me. I got 7 minutes.
Prepare your speech.
Can we get to 420? Hey, we did 423. Nice. All right, cool. You guys are fun. Tracy's like, no. I ain't coming back on camera.
She's like,
that
I already
work
did
in-
I already did what I got to do. Well. NQ sellers. I hate you dearly.
Do you want an edge report fund number? That sounds good. I can do an edge report.
We're living on the edge.
That's sick. That
No,
was fun.
Tracy, as much as I wish it were true, it's not.
I'm going to TP here for 100 as soon as we get it.
Nice trade.
I'm still break even on these 10.
They're dancing around here like they're done. Are they done?
ES is still very emotional here. There's so much volume down here. NQ's got the same idea as you. It's like, all right, let's just chill here. Take a breather.
All right, quick edge report for you. I got NQ pulled up here, and if you're looking at the volume profile on the right. Now, this is an RTH volume profile. And as we can see, price happiness is up here at 636, 637 area. Bulls obviously in control most of the day, not able to touch 24-hour VWAP or RTH VWAP since honestly,
Dream is dead.
945. So, I mean, get out of here with that. But anyways, we have lost this initial node up here, so price happiness could have turned into price unhappiness. Might close back down here, previous day high. Some other targets, possibly VWAP. We've got the IB high, V range. We're gonna have to watch. We're gonna have to see. XY, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do with the rest of this trade? Are you gonna close it out? Are you gonna hold it
I
in
got
the
out
close?
break even on the 10 and they just snapped back, so I'm trying to get some back on here. ES is still driving. So
All right. Very good. How about you, Leo? You got any plans for the rest of the day? Where do you think we're gonna end up here?
I'm about to pull the trigger here on this TP. They say I don't TP, I TP. Never seen Leo TP. You're about to see me TP. I've already TP'd twice. We're going for a third time. All right, we'll take the 100 right there.
tape looks really down.
It's still heavy
here.
Don't TP for them. You have to go TP. Okay, it's cool.
What about the Bitcoin? I mean, we've been in a steady sell-off since that local high on May 24th. There's really, there's not a lot. I mean, you got messy spaghetti with all these EMAs everywhere on the Bitcoin. So it's just kind of a chop range.
Messy spaghetti? Does he say that?
Yeah, he does.
That's good.
I hope you're watching, Jim. Hope you're chilling at the dentist's office watching me bungle your edge report impression.
Killing it. The natural. All right. Still moving. All right, we're back in 10, baby. Trying to run risk-free 10 to VWAP. To ES.
Leo, that was pretty gross. Honestly, that 66, like that, just even that entry you had is disgusting.
Oh, you're welcome.
You cracked the, yeah, I don't know how you did that. It was just silly. Redonkulous.
I mean, I didn't really want to just because it was near Hive Day, but
yeah, but no, you saw the thing. They gave up that little node there. Oh, you want a silver coin? I'm sure it'll get there, Steve.
Jacob Brooks, I made 13K on the last trade. So definitely we went past 10K on that.
Nice.
I'm just trying to take advantage of being able to get a risk-free 10 lot short here.
There you go, Steve. Check your email.
Is it a Wemby jersey? No, it's a Ginobili jersey.
Fred, I can't pull. I would love to pull up a bond chart real quick for the bit, but I can't.
The what?
a bond chart just to do to continue the gym bit, but I can't.
Oh, the last one, Jacob. Yeah, that one went break even. It literally like ticked my entry to take me out break even and just went down. So possibly, no, it wouldn't be. It'd be a 5K right now. But yeah, I mean, that's that. They got me out again. They're gonna bid this thing, and the day is done. My day is done.
Oops. Adios, KTS. See you tomorrow. Peace, heats. Thank you, Candle Nerd. Thank you, You Met Soap. I'm still doing personalized shout outs for the next 12 seconds. Any personalized shout out requests? You're welcome, Splod. You're welcome, Jaro. Hello, Turd Gurgulus.
That's not. It's turgurless. 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 It's not turd.
There we go. There's the bell. Thanks, turkeys. Yeah, ring it many times.
I just saw Meta.
How many times are they going to ring the bell?
Oh, they're just trying to make sure I heard it. Well, gentlemen, what are you doing? You flat, XY?
Yep.
All right. Congratulations on your mountain of money. Go Spurs.
Yeah. Go Spurs, go.
Great job today, as always. Let's give these gentlemen a round of applause, please. All right. Well, I believe that's all we have for us today. Tomorrow, some other stuff is going to happen, but I'm not really Jim, so I don't know what that is going to be. You're going to have to tune in at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to find out where. Oh no, it's Arena. I actually do know it's Arena Cup Round 3 qualifier. Think who's in that? I think Merritt's in that. Can I get? Thank you very much. We got Tanya, Merritt. Sarah's in there. Farms trading live for the first time. We got Salma, and also T. It's just a T. I've seen his face, so I don't know. I never remember. But T Trades is here too. But yeah, thanks so much for hanging out. See you bright and early for another day of vanquishing the sellers. And remember the most important message of the day: stay safe out there. Be good to each other.
Thanks, chat.